What's good, pretty gang? It's Pretty Mind. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing this lace front wig from Wiggins hair that is 30 inches long. And I'm in love with it, if you couldn't tell. But if you're thinking about purchasing, all the details will be down below as always, including Wiggins social media and link to this exact wig down below. Stay tuned to find out more about this unit and how I got this very cute half up, half down style. Alright, y'all, so this is how my hair came out. Complete. It's looking very good. And y'all know, if y'all watch me, I never done a half up, half down with the half up, half down part only up here, because I used to not like that. But baby, this is gonna be my new go-to, because I feel like it's low-key harder when you have to pull all this up. If your hair's already thin, it definitely makes it look thicker because you have all this now. But this hair never had a problem with being thin. This is the thickest hair I've ever had on my channel when it comes to straight hair. I'm gonna pull all the hair to the front. This is the thickest, heaviest hair I've ever had on this channel when it comes to straight hair, because this is 250 density and it literally feels just so heavy and thick. And it's like that all the way to the ends. Like, it's no thin ends. You see they're all very thick all the way up into this part. I did like how easy it was to bleach and pluck, because that's a plus right there. Also, this is big head friendly. Y'all know I got a big head. I did shave all my hair off, so wigs feel a little easier now anyways, but this one big head friendly. My hair's still big at the end of the day, and I had no problem stretching it. It was actually very stretchy, so I know over my old hair it would have still fit. And I could tell the way it fit my mannequin head that it was gonna be big head friendly. So without a doubt, it's big head friendly. If they have sizes, choose a large. I got a large. If they don't have sizes, then I got one size fits all. I don't get like special caps or nothing. The one thing I will say, I feel like the lace is a little dark. If you find yourself like 1 to 2 shades darker than me, this is gonna be perfect for you. And also, I just do want to point out that I have on a wig cap also that is too dark for me, so that is not helping at all. But yeah, I'm in love with this wig. If you couldn't tell, we're best friends. Like, I just feel like it's so pretty, and then the hairstyle is so girly, and I love that. And I let my boyfriend pick it, so props to him, because this is really cute. And I've never done the parts right here, but that's so cute. It's so pretty. It just looks very girly, and I love it so much. I feel like all half up, half down give me that same vibe, and I love that. But yeah, if y'all made it this far in the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the pretty gang, so you can be a pretty gangster. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about this hair down below. Of course you love it. I love it. Like, let me know what y'all think. And definitely let me know if y'all buy this hair and what your experience was down below, if you've ever shopped with them. But I've never had a bad experience with Wiggins hair, even from before YouTube when I was ordering from them. Never an issue ever. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at itsprettymy, ITS pretty and Y, because it's right there. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Love you.